Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix or manage personalized ad on App Store using your iPhone. Personalized ad basically means Apple show you ads that are more relevant to you. Instead of random ads, Apple look at things like the apps you download, the searches you make in App Store, or even the type of content you read in Apple News. For example, if you are always downloading fitness apps, you might see ads for outdoor gray or health related apps. But if you are more into games, you will probably see ads for new gaming apps or accessories. How to turn off personalized ads? Here you will see the option for personalized ads. Turn on personalized ads and turn off personalized ad. If you want to add tailor for your interest, turn it on. If you don't want to personalize ads, turn it off. And that's it. Now if you know how to fix or manage personalized ads on your app store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.